Hi bunny friends, I wanted to show you how to thread a needle. I get this question a lot of times and people seem to have problems threading their little embroidery needle. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the thread really close between your finger and thumb like that. You don't want the thread out here. You're not trying to put the thread through the needle. You're going to put the needle on the thread. So you're going to hold this really tight in your fingers like that. And then you put the thread on the needle and pull it through. See how easy that was? So while we're here, I'll also show you how to tie a knot. This is my favorite way to tie a knot. You got the long end and the short end, long end, needles pointing in the air. You take this long end and you bring it around and you put it together between your thumb and your finger. Okay, needles up. Again, you're bringing this around, forming a loop with the long end. You're going to wrap it 1, 2, 3 times, and you're going to pull that thread between your thumb and finger. Keep it a little tight, and then you're going to drag the knot. You're pulling the needle up, and you're dragging that knot all the way to the end. It's a perfect knot every time. Easy. Okay.